What's up everyone, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we're taking a look at this, well, all new I wanted to say, but it's not really all new. We're taking a look at this 2017 Mercedes AMG G63. And why is that, you might ask? Well, yesterday the pictures of the new 2018 G63, or at least G-Class, were leaked. So I thought it might be nice to take this old one and compare it to the new one and drive it, because we've never filmed a regular G63. We did film the 6x6, but not the regular one. So we have a matte black one with black wheels. I mean, you know how it looks, it's awesome. Chrome stepping boards, side exhaust. Yeah, it's an awesome car. Okay, so this is the new one for those of you who haven't seen it yet. It's not that different, obviously, because why would they? It's a G-Class. So let's start at the front, because I think that's the biggest difference with this car. As you can see, I can't zoom in for some reason. The grille is a bit different, and we have new headlights without those LEDs underneath. So just a round one, and I think there's an LED circle in there. Luckily, or I'm very happy about that they kept these indicators, because that just looks awesome, both outside and when you're driving it, you're looking down on those. It's just a lot of fun. And the bumper underneath is a bit smaller as well. So other than that, I mean, apart from this fuel filler cap that's on a different location, as you can see, there's not that much. It's just a bit, I don't want to say sleeker, because that's the wrong word to use with this car, but it seems a bit more rounded and a bit less square. But it's still, you know, it's still a G-Wagon, but less square than this one. And well, the front is the biggest difference on the outside. The biggest difference altogether with this car is the interior, because look at this. This looks really, really good. I mean, that's awesome. I think that looks really cool. So let me show you the inside of this one to compare. Open it up first. Okay, so we've got the old interior with this unit that has been around for years and years. This as well. We do have this newer screen, but check this out. I mean, this is awesome. We have those really cool vents with those differential buttons. These three are over there. New steering wheel, of course, the double screen, and the new unit right here. Yeah, I think that looks really good. Really cool. Okay, so other than that, it's still a G-Wagon, or a Geländewagen, as they call it in German. Let's get the key out, start it up. So we get that really cool that's a cool sound. It's that bellow from that V8, that super low sound. Okay, so let's open up the hood, because we have the old M157, I believe it is. The 5.5 liter V8 biturbo. Handcrafted by Luca Dutterer. And of course, the new one will have the M176 4 liter V8 biturbo that we know from the E63, C63, AMG GT, cars like those. That engine will be in the G-Class. But I'm not sure I'm too happy about that, because I think that this engine, let me just open the window and you can hear it while I drive away. especially at lower speeds like this. You get that crazy low V8 rumble, and that's a sound that we know from this engine from previous cars, from the older E63s and the CLS and cars like those. So I do hope that the sound engineers at AMG, who are probably the best out there at this moment, that they really are able to engineer that sound into that 4-liter engine, because it just fits this car so well, and it would be a shame if that sound disappeared. I am a real fan. I think these AMG SUVs are so much fun, and they are totally ridiculous, but they are so much fun. Okay, turn around. Let's go this way again. Let's put it in sport for now. It's so ridiculous. I love it. I've always had a soft spot for the G-Wagon. I think it's just such a cool car. The outside hasn't changed really in 4 decades, and the inside is luxurious enough as it is, but in the next generation, I mean, my god, that thing looks awesome. So I really like that sort of two-faced character, that real rugged outside combined with that luxurious inside, and of course that V8 under the hood. So cool. I thought, it's not a good car, okay? So let me get that out of the way. It's not a good car or anything. It doesn't ride that well. It's not that comfortable. But it's just, there's just something about this car. You're sitting so high up. You're sitting really weirdly in a way, because you have all this glass around you. I don't think there are many cars that can make you feel the way this car does, I think. So we don't have launch control, obviously, but it should be able to do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.4 seconds. So let's go. There it is. That's quite quick actually. And the top speed is 210 kilometers an hour. And for now we are going to take this to the Autobahn and see what it's like. We're at the Autobahn and we are going to do what no one should ever do. But we have to. We do it with every car, so let's do it with the Mercedes AMG G63 as well. Let's do a top speed run and see how it feels at high speeds. It's limited at 210 kilometers an hour, so I think, you know, there are a lot of reasons why Mercedes did that, and I hope to find out what they are. We've got a great V8 rumble, as I said. I mean, it's just unbeatable. There we go. Let's put it in sport. And this thing is quick. My god. We've got quite a bit of wind noise already, of course, because we're driving a big square box. And the suspension is, unlike you might expect, quite firm. So it's a bit bouncy. There we go, full throttle. That's already almost at top speed. So As I said, 5.5 liter V8 bi-turbo, 571 horsepower and 760 Newton meters of torque. It will get this thing going, even though it weighs just over 2,400 kilos. It is seriously quick. That's 200. AMG brakes working nicely as well. But there's a really weird sensation when you floor this car, because it is seriously quick. You get that great sound, but you do feel that you're driving this square box, and you're very upright. The seating position is very upright and high. You're very close to the windshield. There we go. That's 210. That's the limiter. There it is. It actually feels quite stable, and it doesn't really feel that bad. I was expecting it to be all over the place and a bit unsettled, unhappy to do those speeds, but it actually feels quite nice. But you know, we've got 3 different buttons for diff locks and low range transfer box, so in essence it's still an SUV, it's still an off-roader, but AMG have just created this ridiculous car that's in no way has any right to exist. But maybe that's a big part of the appeal of this car, is that it's just insane. Okay, so we are at the limiter again. This is top speed in the G63. This is not bad, but it's not windy at all, so I can imagine that if the wind is here, this car would be all over the place. There is quite a bit of tire and wind noise though, but it's not that bad. Okay, so I don't really know what else to show you, because that's the top speed, and well, other than making a great sound, it's not that exciting. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you at the next one. You can subscribe by clicking on the little icon in the bottom right corner. Don't forget to hit that notification button, the little bell, to receive updates, and you can follow us on social media. Thanks guys, bye.